Hi, my name is Cheryl Grant, and my poem is Nova Zembla. My father once told me a story beside the ocean. Doesn't matter where you are, you find beauty. We were running above us, crested sand dunes lined with Vietnamese soldiers. They came on a breeze today. My father brought them back with him, looking more like fishermen than enemies, shirtless blank brothers with questions. My breathing is labored and my face is flushed, and we race past the jungle of seaweed, kelp, and crab claws the sea is done with. I was being carried along by the wind, so he thought I wasn't there. The most beautiful thing he had ever encountered, a rhododendron that surprised him on a rarely traveled trail in the Alaskan wilderness. It stood alone on the path. Nova Zembla. Shades of red that knock all other reds out of the ring. A thank you bouquet from a bee. A miracle dropped at your feet like a wallet, no idea, and money still inside. Lincoln pennies scratching off the usual to find the jackpot. How many people had walked this trail? Quarter teaspoonsful. I snuggle into the blanket of all his eyes have seen, imagining his mouth agape like Moses, the finding of the tablets. These two survivors, neither thinking the other one was still alive. Between the napalm, root rot, petal blight, dieback, IEDs, aphids, boars, lace bugs, scale insects, M16s, red spider mites, weevils, and whitefly. The most beautiful thing cut itself into him like a new record, an etude with pistol proud, beauty so insistent it stings. Like the last episode of Through a Straw. This flower was a belter. This was Kate Smith. And God bless America. This was proof screamed into the sky blue, green, brown tint plucked from the eyes of soldiers at the last snap, spilling out of the bottle green ocean. My father saw beauty. My father's story chiseled itself into the wind. His eyes outlined me and the sand. I was being carried away by the wind, so he thought I wasn't there. The most beautiful thing, blazing brilliant in his memory, Nova Zembla matters. The ocean sidled us, kept a holy place for our exchange, and I kept up.